My name is Dagoudo Bienvenu. I'm from Benin, but I'm based in Uganda. I'm a postgraduate in Uganda Martyrs University. And I get this opportunity from RUFORUM-Access Agriculture to learn how to communicate, to use a video and a blogger in agriculture extension services. This workshop is important for my career as a scientist who focus in agroecology, food system, and entrepreneurship. And this helped me to know how to realize some tools to communicate in agricultural research who can be accessed to our farmers. And then their experience in the field to interact with farmers show me the research paper writing is different about how you communicate to the farmer to access the knowledge and how you can use the endogenous knowledge to extend a scientific methodology and help the farmers to understand how also the scientists could be interact with them. This opportunity is a great opportunity for all career scientists and if innovation and the world where the media take the place more than reading the article. This helps also to be the good scientists for a future and help Africa to take forward the agriculture production in the farm level.